Thanksgiving coming up, I thought that I would brine and then smoke a whole fresh turkey just to do a test run. While I'm smoking the turkey, I'm going to smoke this Romeo Julieta 1875 cigar. Let's get to it. Select a fresh turkey that's not pre-brined. The brine can be something as simple as water, sugar, and salt. Stuff the cavity with herbs, fruits, and vegetables. Select any dry rub you like. The spritz will have maple, water, and vinegar to be sprayed about every hour. Final baste will be melted butter, garlic, rosemary. Find or make a brining container large enough for the bird. For my Hawaiian style brine, I start by chopping up and pureeing a whole pineapple. It's always better to liquefy a whole fruit instead of from a can or a jar. Add all the brine ingredients together, and if you need more liquid to cover the turkey, add about 1 liter of water with a half a cup of salt and a 1/4 cup of sugar, enough to cover the whole turkey. The turkey and brine will rest in a cool place for 24 hours. Then remove the turkey from the brine. Do not rinse or pat dry, as this will help the dry rub stick to the skin. Stuff the cavity, then fold the drumstick in as shown. The wings will also be folded under the bird. Use a toothpick to thread through any loose skin. Add some moisture to the dripping pan, beer or water or both. Start your favorite smoker and remember to spritz about every hour so the bird stays moist. The smoker temperature should be around 210 Fahrenheit or 100 Celsius. Add wood chips or pellets as needed every 20 or 30 minutes. You want to always be able to see some smoke. Finally, about 20 minutes before the end of cooking, add your butter garlic baste. The turkey's internal temperature should be about 165 Fahrenheit or 73 Celsius. Remember to share this with family and friends.
Like butter. Alright, there we go.
Filet.
The truth. Number one.
Let me just, wow, look at this texture. Big one.
That's a good one.
Alright.
Smoky. World class. World class.
Excellent.
Right, juicy texture. Unbelievable.
Glad you like it.
I've never actually tried this before. Oh, Jesus. It's moist. It's like a sponge. Incredible. Excellent.
Awesome.
Moment of truth, Gabriel.
It looks a little bit like a shark. That's the nose.
Huh?
Really
Maybe
good.
you could do a
Juicy,
shark that too.
not dry. I would buy it.
Excellent. You can sell it in Brazil.
Okay.
If you did
Okay.
see.
Moment of truth, number 3 and 4. A nice juicy piece.
Can I put this one back?
Seasoning.
Do whatever you want.
Nice mix of flavors, good seasoning.
Good.
Nice smoky undertones.
Glad to be able to get that hit.
This is really good because the turkey is supposed to be tough, isn't it? It's
Supposed to be dry and tough, right?
yes. Lovely.
Excellent.
Well done.
This is astronomic, galaxy class.
I'm glad to hear it.
I don't know how you did this. I think you've now spoiled Thanksgiving for me for the rest of my life.
They set the bar so high now, it's impossible to. High bar is set really high.
Excellent.
This is something I've never had before. Well done.
Enjoy, gentlemen.